We've explored some of the key administration features for the production process, so now let's review the ways we can deactivate a process to prevent it from running on an atom. So this is important in emergency situations where data needs to stop syncing. So to stop the process, schedule via manage atom deployment, and we're going to detach the atom via deploy process attachments. So together we're going to complete our final activity in the admin section, which is exercise 11. So again, just a quick recap, the Boomi best practice is to stop process schedule and or detach the environment from the process when training or in other testing scenarios is complete. So this is to make sure the process is not running unnecessarily and that any user alerts stop. So the first thing we're going to do is to stop the process schedule. So if we go to manage, atom management, and then we select the atom where it's deployed on. So it's going to be our atom cloud. And then we can check on deployed processes. And then we have our prospect tracking. So we can click on the arrow next to it and we can stop the schedules. So you see that we had stopped the schedules for it. All right, perfect. After we've stopped the process schedule, we're going to detach it from the environment. So we're going to click on the deploy tab. We're going to highlight the process that we're looking for, prospect tracking. We're going to go tab over to attachments. We're going to grab that production, which is in the attached environments, and we're going to kick it over to the unattached environments. All right, now you're seeing in the unattached environments, we have the production and test. So it's now unattached and it's not running on a schedule. So that completes exercise 11, stopping the process schedule and detaching from the environment. And that completes the administration part of the developer class.